a couple of birthdays in the audience. Callum, where's Callum? Up there in front of you somewhere. Come down and join us, Callum. Also got another one here, Louise. Louise Rose. Callum and Louise, come on down if you're not too shy. You're more than welcome. Come and join us in the circus ring. Hello, what's your name?
Louise.
Louise, and how old are you today? 11. 11. Give her a nice big round of applause. Wonderful. Excellent. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to sing happy birthday to these three wonderful children. We've got a few little bits and pieces, compliments of the service, which our dear friend Mr. Adler is now going to hand up. In the meantime, we'd like you all to join in and sing as loud as you can. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Sing on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from the circus. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hip hip. Oh, come on, raise the roof. It doesn't belong to me. Hip hip. Guess what? As you go back to your seats, something magical happens. You get a really big round of applause. Happy birthday.